Hello, my name is Kevin McCowan. I'm with the American Academy of Spine Physicians, an organization that is committed to promoting excellence in spine care through education and innovation. The ASP recently partnered with the Foundation for Chiropractic Progress, F4CP, a not-for-profit organization to enhance the role and recognition of doctors of chiropractic in spine care. All members of the F4CP are eligible to become a free directory member with the Academy. If you have received a user ID and a PIN number from the Academy, you are a directory member. We encourage you to visit the homepage of the Academy at www.spinephysicians.org. On the homepage, there are many useful tools and resources. On the navigation bar, there are numerous pull-downs. To access resources on your personalized member dashboard, log in here with your user ID and PIN number. I have signed into the member dashboard of Dr. Sherry McAllister, the Executive Vice President of the F4CP. On your member dashboard, there will be a button entitled F4CP Members. Click on the button to access the free resources you're entitled to as a directory member. Some of the resources are, there's a directory profile, a facility profile, a subset of the brochure library, network services instructions, inform a colleague feature, as well as a special offer and a chance to upgrade your membership. One important free benefit is the Inform a Colleague tool with a linked library, which you can use to develop a multidisciplinary referral network. This tool can be used with SpineCare 360, a network building resource which you have access to. Another important free benefit is the full page profile listed in the Online International Directory of Spine Care Professionals, the official online directory of the ASP. Your profile has already been populated with information provided by the F4CP. Please review your current profile status, update all your information, and complete the directory profile fields to enhance public search accuracy and to increase your professional visibility. Here are Dr. McAllister's profile fields. There are numerous directory profile headings, which include a professional introduction, practice type and location, education and training, credentials and certification, appointments and positions, languages spoken, and contact information. If you achieve diplomate or fellow status through the ASP, your status will be listed under the photo. Note, here's Dr. McAllister's full-page profile in the International Directory of Spine Care Professionals. Now, let's go back to the dashboard. The ASP offers its members numerous online resources to help them serve their patients, develop their practice, and cultivate multidisciplinary relationships. The ASP recognizes the important role of continuing education, credentialing, and certification opportunities as a fundamental requirement for those dedicated to excellence and collaborative care. The Academy offers all directory members the opportunity to upgrade to full membership status for the first year membership at approximately 50% off. For $150, you have an unprecedented opportunity to become a full AASP member for 1 year. Full member status will give you access to all member benefits as well as a special public relations toolkit available to dual members of the ASP and F4CP. Click Learn More. Some of the benefits are there are brochures, PowerPoint slides, infographic, press release, The Academy offers all directory members the opportunity to upgrade to full member status for the first year of membership at approximately 50% off. For $150, you have an unprecedented opportunity to become a full AASP member for 1 year. Full member status will give you access to all member benefits, as well as a special public relations toolkit developed available. The Academy offers all directory members the opportunity to upgrade to full member status for the first year of membership at approximately 50% off. For $150, you have an unprecedented opportunity to become a full AASP member for 1 year. Full member status will give you access to all member benefits, as well as a special public relations toolkit to dual members of the ASP and F4CP. We encourage you to complete your online directory profile access The Academy offers all member direct and 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. The Academy offers all directory members the opportunity to upgrade to full member status for the first year of membership at approximately 50% off. For $150, you have an unprecedented opportunity to become a full AASP member for 1 year. Full member status will give you access to all member benefits, as well as a special public relations toolkit available to dual members of the ASP and the F4CP. In the public relations toolkit, there are brochures, over 75 slides of a PowerPoint slideshow to educate your patients, an infographic, a personalized press release, and an action guide to help you take full advantage of the toolkit. We encourage you to complete your online profile directory, access your free resources, and upgrade to full AASP member status. Visit our website at www.spinephysicians.org or email us at aasp@spinephysicians.org. Thank you.